It's now 6:39 here on your Monday morning. Let's check in now with Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sean Macaday, who's tracking a hot day with temperatures in the 90s. Good morning, Sean.
Yeah, things are going to feel like the dog days of summer. Today, tomorrow, 90 degrees, feeling hotter than that with the humidity. Right now, Mason City, the dew point is at 60. Mostly sunny skies. It's a pretty nice morning, but there's a little bit of a humidity there. Rochester, this is looking south. I'm going to show you the view looking north. Looking south, you got sunny skies. Looking a little bit further north, however, switching it up, you can see there's a couple of quick rain showers moving through with some clouds, 63 degrees. What happens is during these really hot summer and humid days, things start to bubble up like you're boiling water on a stovetop, and those bubbles sometimes turn into rain showers. This afternoon and evening, when temps are 90 degrees, if the same thing happens, it's not going to come as a light shower, it's going to come as a very strong thunderstorm. And then we have a cold front to add on top of it all tomorrow afternoon, which is why we're tracking a chance for severe weather tomorrow. Right now, just a couple of quick showers bubbling up. Most of these are in southern Minnesota, really. One moving through Rochester, the next one about to move through Owatonna. Soon this will make its way towards Stewartville and places a little bit further down, 52, maybe even closer to Chatfield. That one in Owatonna, maybe Blooming Prairie in about an hour's time. If those hold together, I kind of think they're going to fizzle out. Temps are in the mid-60s this morning. Don't worry about the rain this morning in Rochester. It's real quick. It's real light. There's not much there. We're at 80 degrees already by 10 a.m. We're going to be in the mid-80s by lunchtime and touching 90 degrees this afternoon. And then just as the afternoon starts to round into the evening, we're still in the 80s. 89 degrees at 6 p.m. in Albert Lea and pretty sunny for the 3rd of July parade. That is later today. The 4th of July. Well, by 6 p.m. we could be tracking a different forecast, maybe a chance for thunderstorms. Look, the dew point is humid, between 58 to 65-ish today and tomorrow. That's enough to fuel some thunderstorms. It's also enough to make it feel hotter than it is. The high temps are 90 degrees today, but the feels like temp is a couple degrees hotter, closer to 93 degrees. Honestly, if it were as humid as it could be, like dew points of 70 degrees or more, we'd be talking about feels like temperatures nearly close to 100 degrees. Thankfully, that's not the case today because we don't have quite that much humidity. But there are days this summer where that'll likely happen. Mid-80s this afternoon, 90 degrees, touching around 4 p.m. This evening, there's a couple of isolated thunderstorms, I think, in southern Minnesota. I also think this is too aggressive in North Iowa. I don't quite think that's in the cards, but you know, if anything changes, I'll keep you updated. This computer model sometimes messes things up a little bit in that regard with these really, really hot and convective days. Overnight, we'll drop it to the upper 60s. Tomorrow, another very hot day. You'll see some light clouds, and then towards the evening hours, here's 8:30 p.m. That's when fireworks are going off. Tracking some thunderstorms moving through. Some of those could be severe. I'm going to skip ahead here to the severe chance. From the Storm Prediction Center, a 2 out of 5 risk for our whole viewing area and up to the Twin Cities and west all the way to Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Omaha, and almost south to Des Moines. This is a large area where we are going to be tracking a chance for wind and hail. Some of that lingers through Wednesday morning, Wednesday evening. You should see the suns come out with a beautiful sunset. And then Thursday, Friday are gorgeous. It's dry. It's in the 70s. It's going to be a great opportunity to get outside and have some fun.
All right. Thank you, Sean. Multiple mass